Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices have enough battery and free space. You want a stable transfer. Next, pick the fastest offline method available: USB cable for large files, SD card for removable media, or Wi-Fi direct for wireless. Once chosen, enable the OS feature or install a lightweight file manager that supports local transfers. Set devices to discoverable or mount the external drive. Doing this first avoids interruptions and lets you begin the transfer flow immediately. Now execute the method you picked. If wired, plug the cable, select File Transfer on mobile, and open the destination folder on the computer, then drag files. If using Wi-Fi direct, initiate a device search, accept the connection, and start the send from your file manager. Watch progress bars. For Bluetooth, pair first and use send/receive commands. When using an SD card or USB drive, copy files, confirm size and timestamps, and then unmount before moving the media to the receiving device. Finish by verifying the files on the receiving device. Check sizes, timestamps, and open one or two files to ensure they play or load. Once satisfied, safely eject the USB or SD card or disconnect Wi-Fi direct. This prevents corruption. If something fails, retry with a smaller batch, check storage permissions, and ensure both devices run compatible file systems. As a single troubleshooting tip, if transfers stall, switch to a wired connection or reformat the removable drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.